Okay, Mr. J coming at you with a couple more problems having to do with ratio and proportion. Now, this is something I've heard from kids. This is when we actually learn the concept of what we call cross product or cross multiplication. Now, depending on where my x is, all I want to do right now is I'm going to create cross multiplication to where I get two sides to my equation. So I'm going to do 10 times x is 10x. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, now I have it to here. I'm going to divide both sides by 10. I get x equals 2. When I plug it back in, 2/5 equals 4/10. In other words, this is what I'm saying. If I cross multiply these, 5 times 4 is 20, 2 times 10 is 20. So they are proportional. Over here, this one's a little bit more difficult. It's not going to be a whole number. Okay, so let's talk about what we do first. We're going to cross multiply. So I'm going to say 8 times 6 is 48. And then x times 5 is 5x. Now here, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And I have 48 over 5 equals x, or x equals 48 over 5. If you want to change that into a mixed number, all you do is say 5 goes into 48 9 times with a remainder of 3. So that's 9 3/5. All right, now let's talk about one more. So let's say I have x plus 5 over 6 equals 2x minus 1 over 10. Now, this is going to take a little bit, so what we're going to do, we're going to cross multiply. Now, video previously, I talked to you about the distributive property. I have 10 times x plus 5 on this side equals 6 times 2x minus 1. Now, distributive property says I distribute the 10 to the x and the 5. So 10 times x is 10x, and 10 times 5 is 50. Then I distribute the 6 to the 2x and the 6 to the 1, so I have 12x minus 6. Now, video previously, we did variable on both sides. So Mr. J is going to subtract 10x from both sides. That gets rid of this. Then I'm going to add 6 to this side. So this is going to be 56 equals 2x. Last but not least, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get the x by itself. And my answer is going to be x equals 28. This is Mr. J. Good mathing with you. If you like what you saw, do me a favor. Click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.